It's Brian here, and picture this for a moment. You've built a system that practically runs itself. Your emails are going out at the right time, creating personal connections. Your content is hitting every major platform without additional effort. And while you're spending time on what matters most to you, your affiliate system is scaling in the background. This isn't some fantasy or far-off dream. It's the reality of what happens when you leverage the power of AI tools. Welcome to Video 8 in the CashWave Strategy Vault. If you've been following along, you've already put systems in place and mastered short-form content strategies through the earlier toolkits. Now, it's time to unlock Toolkit 4. AI Toolkit Essentials. This toolkit is a game changer because it brings automation and personalization into the same space. Here's the deal. These AI tools don't replace your efforts. They elevate them. They help you scale, create faster, and connect better with your audience. Whether you're optimizing email funnels, creating faceless videos, or syndicating content across platforms, these tools give you the edge to work smarter, not harder. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I, along with the CashWave community, use AI to level up affiliate systems like the Millionaire Partner System, MPS, and Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, FB 3.0. You're about to save time, scale faster, and feel like you're finally running the kind of system that matches the big goals you have. All right, ready to make your system unstoppable? Let's go. 1. Jasper.ai, Content Creator. First on my list is Jasper.ai, a tool that redefines how we write and communicate. If you've been stuck trying to find the right words for your email sequence, blog posts, or even video scripts, Jasper has your back. Turn ideas into actionable words. Jasper makes it incredibly easy to take your rough ideas and craft them into powerful content. Personalized automation. When using the Millionaire Partner System, I rely on Jasper to rewrite email sequences in my own voice. You can take any pre-written script and adapt it to reflect your tone. That way, even automated messages feel personal and authentic. Content. Tailored to platforms for short-form creators, leveraging Freedom Breakthrough, Jasper helps generate optimized TikTok scripts or Instagram post captions that align with your affiliate message. Here's the real benefit. Jasper lets you focus on your message, not the mechanics of writing. I look back on how much time I wasted trying to write perfect emails from scratch, and all I think is, I could have scaled faster with this tool. 2. ElevenLabs, AI Voice Generator. Now, I want to talk about ElevenLabs, the AI tool that's made my faceless videos sound like polished professional productions. Natural voiceovers. ElevenLabs creates incredibly lifelike voiceovers that sound as if you hired a professional voice actor. Seriously, your audience won't know it's AI. Consistency across your brand. I use this tool to maintain the same tone and professionalism across all my MPS faceless video campaigns. The result? My content feels cohesive even when scaling at speed. The best part is how much money this tool saves. No need for expensive equipment, studios, or outsourcing. With ElevenLabs, your message comes through loud and clear every time. 3. Repurpose.io, Content Syndicator. If you're like me, you know short-form content is king for driving traffic into your affiliate system. But what if you could amplify that content with zero extra effort? That's where Repurpose.io steps in. 1. Upload everywhere. This tool takes a single video and syndicates it across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and more. Maximized workflow. For me, Repurpose.io is essential when promoting MPS videos. Once I upload content, it's automatically distributed to every platform I need, freeing hours of my time. Paired with Jasper and ElevenLabs, create scripts with Jasper, voice them with ElevenLabs, and syndicate the final product with Repurpose.io. It's an unbeatable workflow. This tool doesn't just save time, it maximizes your reach. Instead of doing more, you achieve more with what you've already created. 4. Via.ai, Short-Form Automation. For those of you deep in the short-form strategy, Via.ai is a standout tool to add to your kit. It breaks down long-form content into digestible, short-form clips designed to grab attention. extract purposeful clips, upload a full-length video, and vid.ai will identify the most impactful segments for TikToks, Reels, or Shorts. Maintain consistency. Creating daily content is easier with this tool pulling the best moments from your material. This tool makes daily posting achievable even for affiliates on tight schedules. 5. ChatGPT, Organizer and Formatter. Last but not least is ChatGPT, which I treat as my virtual assistant. When I need help organizing ideas, planning workflow, or brainstorming, this tool gets things done. Organize your campaigns. From structuring email flows to outlining video ideas, ChatGPT keeps everything on track. Speed and simplicity. I often use ChatGPT to format MPS email sequences or brainstorm new angles for content. This tool ensures no idea goes to waste. Everything stays structured and actionable. Millionaire Partner System, MPS. If you're using MPS like me, Jasper and ElevenLabs elevate your email and video strategies, while Repurpose.io makes sure every video gets maximum exposure. Freedom Breakthrough 3.0, FB 3.0. Prefer a DIY approach? The tools from Toolkit 4. AI Toolkit Essentials work seamlessly with FB 3.0, helping you build custom workflows that rival done-for-you systems. When I first started using MPS, I was impressed by how streamlined it was, but I knew I could push it even further. That's when I turned to AI tools. I began with Jasper to rewrite my email templates, giving them my unique voice. ElevenLabs transformed my faceless video content into polished campaigns that felt professional. Repurpose.io made sure every piece of content I created was seen by as many people as possible. And ChatGPT helped me stay organized and keep scaling. The result? A significant boost in both time saved and leads generated. These aren't just tools, they're what helped me turn good enough into exceptional performance. Testimonials. Here's what CashWave subscribers are saying after integrating AI tools into their systems. Tony M. from St. Louis. I used Jasper and ElevenLabs to rewrite and voice my MPS content. I finally felt like I was presenting an expert system, and commissions started coming faster than I expected. Janice W. from Orlando. Repurpose.io turned my weekly content into daily posts across platforms. My second video passed 900 views in 24 hours, and I didn't even have to upload it manually. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite you're already using? Drop it in the comments. I read and celebrate every win.